Hi everyone, Letty here from Party Planner Paper Read. Today I have hashtag N2S June 24. I have the Not Too Shabby Shop June releases. I'm featuring the box of the month and making some cards today. Welcome back everyone. I'm on the design team for the Not Too Shabby Shop for this term. Here's their logo. I'll list a website affiliate link down in the description box below. Today I'm going to be showcasing the June box of the month from the Not Too Shabby Shop. It comes with 2 paper pads, 2 ephemera packs, and 3 stamp sets. Jamie also does throw in some freebies. We have a lollipop and some coordinating enamel dots. Let's do a quick unboxing and we'll jump into a project. So let's start with the paper pads. The first one is called Sailing. It's a 6x6 paper pad with 12 designs. These are double-sided sheets of paper. You've got 24 total sheets. Here is what they look like. Super cute, nautical themed, lots of blues and reds and golds. Really, really cute. This one's just a super fun summer collection. Perfect. So this is Sailin. And then there is a coordinating ephemera pack that goes with this set, also called Sailing. Here is what it looks like. Again, it's called Sailing. This one does coordinate with that paper pad. Here's a still shot of everything that comes in that pack. Super, super fun, nautical, beachy, just really, really fun, perfect for summer. Then we have a second paper pad called Tropical Hippos. This one's also 6x6, 12 designs, 24 double-sided sheets. Really, really cute as well. And so this one has more of a tropical theme with coconuts and hippos and florals and hibiscus and just really, really fun, really bright, fun summer colors. Tropical Hippos is this paper pad. And it also does have a coordinating ephemera pack, also called Tropical Hippos. Really cute little hippo images. And these actually have some pretty good size ephemera pieces that come in this pack, a little bit larger than normal. And so here's a still shot of everything that comes in that pack. Look at those cute hippos. They're so super cute. So this is going to be so fun to craft with this summer. So those are the initial items. Then we have 3 stamp sets. The first one's called Ocean Adventures. Now this one has some great sentiments and then some really cute images. Really, really cute. So you've got lots of sea creatures on this stamp set right here. Again, Ocean Adventures is that stamp set. You have a second stamp set that is called Vacay Mode. Really fun images as well. Perfect for a beach vacation, some great sentiments. And these all of the 3 stamp sets do have different sentiments, which makes it perfect. So Vacay Mode is your second stamp set. Then we have Aloha is the third stamp set. This one has, again, lots of really great sentiments on this one. They are different than the others, really fun ones. Look at that. Live, love, aloha. Really, really cute. And then you've got 2 larger images, one with toucans and one with some like hibiscus floral images. So 3 stamp sets. And then again, Jamie does throw in some freebies. We've got some enamel dots and a lollipop, as well as her business card for the shop. So this was, again, the June box of the month, but it gets better. There is an actual coordinating basics. It's called Tropical Basics paper pad. This is 6x6, 24 double-sided sheets. This is going to be the perfect paper pad to coordinate. These are like your solids to go with the box of the month, because both of the other paper pads have a lot of really great patterns. This one's going to be perfect to layer in the backs of your project. So again, Tropical Basics, this is an add-on to the June box of the month. You can find all of this in the Not Too Shabby Shop. Again, I'll list my website affiliate link down in the description box below. Let's dive into our project. So today we'll be using that box of the month, and I decided to do the Bourbon Creek Crafts 6x6 No Scrap sketch number 1. So Beth, who is from Bourbon Creek Crafts, creates these templates. This one is perfect because you can use a 6x6 paper, and you can make one card from one sheet of 6x6. Now what I did for today was I mixed and matched multiple sheets to make multiple cards, but with still no scraps. So I've already done several off camera. We will do one on camera together today. I did already add some glossy accents to my ephemera pieces. If you know me, I love my glossy accents, especially on these really cute ephemera pieces from Not Too Shabby. I have a sentiment, I have my ephemera pieces. I did add a scrap on the inside of the card. The sketch actually calls for it. You can cut it out and that's what's left over. You put it on the inside. I used both paper pads. Actually, I used all 3 paper pads. I'll do a full recap at the end, but first let's dive into our project. So I did do some optional mats here, and these are the dimensions for them, 2.5 by 2 1/4, and then 2 1/4 by 1.5. In case you want to add those extra mats, I am doing it for my project today. I have one sheet of 6x6 double-sided paper, really cute paper, an A2 card base, and then again, those optional mats. I'm just using some gold metallic cardstock, I believe from the Recollections brand from Michaels. I have my stamped sentiment on a die cut circle. I also have 2 pieces of ephemera. One has already popped up with foam dimensional tape from Dollar Tree, and the other one is just flat. So let's go ahead and take out the paper trimmer and let's cut down this sheet of 6x6 paper. Now, the first thing I'm deciding is which one I'm going to want for my back mat. I think I'm going to use those little dots. So I'm going to do my little strip with this really cute nautical paper. I'm going to cut it at 2 inches with the pattern at the very top to the top. So upright. Then take that 2-inch strip, turn it one time. We're going to cut it at 4 3/4 on 6-inch side. So you'll have that little bitty scrap, but save that because that's going to go on the front of your card sketch. Then turn the larger section either way and cut it at 5 1/4. And so you'll have a little bitty scrap strip. That's the one that's going to go on the inside of the card. And then the remaining 3 pieces will go on the front of your card. So we have our 4 pieces here from our 1 sheet of paper. We have our large mat here that's going to go down on the card base. Then I'm going to layer up my cardstock with that 2-inch scrap strip, or that 2-inch strip. We'll put that on the front. And then I also have a layering section with that little scrap that was left over from the top. And I'm going to add that to the front also with the layering mat. And then that extra little strip will go on the inside of my card. So I am going to use ATG for the bulk of this project. I'm going to go ahead and start by adding the large mat to the front of my card. So, and the hashtag N2S June 24, that's going to give you all the inspiration from the design team for this month using all of the new releases from Not Too Shabby. You saw there, I did add the scrap already to the inside of the card. I'm just layering up my pattern paper with the cardstock. And then what I'll do is glue the 2-inch strip to the left side of the front of my card panel and then add my little smaller section to the right-hand side. Now, you could add some scrap paper behind the right-hand corner of that little section, but because I'm going to layer up so many additional pieces on top, I figured it would be okay and I don't have to worry about it being too flush. So I've added the first part of my ephemera piece. I'm going to add the sentiment and then I'm going to finish it off with this little bitty captain's hat. And so that is the bulk of my card right here. Now I am going to come in this video and add a quick little bit of glossy accents to this. The water under the little sailboat I thought would be perfect. There's going to be some little shiny elements on the sails of the sailboat. And then I definitely want to add some little dots behind it. And then also on the little captain's hat as well. So I've already added my glossy accents. I'll let this dry and then we'll come back for a full recap up next. Okay, so today I used the June box of the month from the Not Too Shabby shop. It comes with 2 paper pads, 2 coordinating ephemera packs, 3 stamp sets, and Jamie does throw in some freebies, some enamel dots, and a lollipop. Now, this month is special because there is an add-on or additional separate paper pad that will coordinate with both of the paper pads from the box of the month that you could also purchase. Today I did the Bourbon Creek Crafts 6x6 No Scraps sketch number 1. You have no scraps left over at all after you cut down your 1 sheet of 6x6 and you make 1 card. So she does have a hashtag BCC no scraps if you want to check that out as well. Here are my finished cards. I did come back after the video and I did add a couple of little gold, sort of like little gemmies or gems, like pearls I think is what they are. Little gold pearls. And so I added that scrap on the inside and here was my finished card. So these were super fun to make, super quick and easy. And the best part is I did not have any scraps left over at all, which is usually my goal when I'm crafting. So it's perfect. So this is just a really great sketch from Beth, who again is Bourbon Creek Crafts. I'll link the video to Beth's YouTube channel down in the description box below where she debuted this sketch. So this was just super fun. I popped up lots of elements on these cards. Again, I opted for the additional gold mats. You do not have to. But if you do want to, you can use those same dimensions I gave in my video today. So again, one of Beth's sketches here, we had the June box of the month from Not Too Shabby. And I do have a website affiliate link. I will link down in the description box below. I appreciate any time you use that. Thanks for visiting, everyone. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration. Make sure you check out the hashtag N2S June 24 all through this month to get all the inspiration from Not Too Shabby design team for all of the new releases. I used the box of the month with the add-on paper pad, but there's also the paper pad club, the add-on ephemera, and the stamp and die set. Happy crafting.